In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a chat on WhatsApp Web. If you've muted a conversation and you're missing messages you actually want to see, unmuting is quick and straightforward. We'll start by getting into WhatsApp Web, then I'll show you two simple ways to unmute, directly from the chat list or from inside the chat itself. First, open your preferred web browser and go to WhatsApp Web. You can search for it or type the web address directly. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Now grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Go to the Linked Devices section, choose to link a device, and point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer. In a second or two, your chats will appear in the browser. Make sure you're linking the same account you use on your phone so everything stays in sync. Once you're in, look at the chat list on the left side. Find the conversation you muted. Muted chats often show a small crossed-out bell icon. Right-click on that chat. If you're on a Mac without a right-click, use Control-click, and on a trackpad, try a two-finger click. From the menu that appears, choose Unmute Notifications. That's it. Notifications for that chat are turned back on, and you'll start getting alerts as new messages arrive. If you prefer working inside the chat, there's another easy method. Click to open the conversation. At the top of the window, select the contact's name or the group subject. This opens the chat info sidebar on the right. In that panel, look for Mute Notifications. If it's switched on, toggle it off. You'll see the switch change state, and the chat's bell icon will return to normal, confirming that you've unmuted it. You can close the sidebar or continue chatting. Your notifications will now come through. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you still don't see alerts after unmuting, check your browser's notification permissions and your computer's system notification settings. WhatsApp Web can only notify you if the browser and your operating system allow it. Also, remember that unmuting affects only the specific chat you changed. If multiple conversations were muted, repeat these steps for each one. And if you ever want quiet time again, you can use the same menu or toggle to mute a chat, choosing a duration that suits you. That's all there is to it. Now you know both ways to unmute a chat on WhatsApp Web quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.